Hey folks, here's the final on this '03 Lincoln Continental. What we did, and let me get you around here. Alright, so I'll take you the walk around. What we did, let me back up here and get a wide shot here. Very nice shape Lincoln Continental, very well kept. Had a couple little rust, scabby things here, like right in there and right down here. And so we fixed those and refinished that, blended into a door, so we have good paint match. And then we'll come on around, and this car, we did on the trunk lid too. We had a paint peeling off down here. Where is it? Down in here. And then we blended up and refinished the deck lid. Same with on this side. There was a rust scab right there and a big scratch right through there. And so we refinished the quarter panel, blended into that door. And so there you have it. '03 Lincoln Continental, all done and detailed. This thing is nice inside and well kept. I'll just give you a quick look at the driver's side, inside. Very nice, well kept, and we did an interior detail on this as well. So there you go. A good example of what we do here at Mike's Auto Detailing. So if you have any body work, if you have a car that you want detailed, we can do that. We can also paint correct and do ceramic coating as well. We do a lot of the ceramic coating. So give me a call, 607-738-9807, and we are located in Facet, Pennsylvania, just maybe 15-20 minutes from Elmira, New York, just off of Route 14. So give me a call, 607-738-9807.